packed for my trip that's in literally 10 hours. As long as I have like my skincare routine and probably my concealer and some blush with mascara, I feel like I'll have everything in life. And obviously my earphones and my charger. But I feel like after that, o sea, la vida se resuelve, you know? There's a solution for everything, baby. Why you even stressing? Good morning. As you can see, I am tired as hell. I have a bag to pack in literally an hour and a half. So let's try to do this in a efficient manner. Coffee break. That's some good Joe. Whenever you travel, take at least twice as much of pairs that you need of underwear, or at least that's what I do, because uno nunca sabe, like one never knows. And do you really want to be left in a foreign state without underwear? Okay, so I like to set my stuff up by outfits, and here's 1, 2. I have like 3 black dresses. You can honestly never go wrong with black dresses. So here's 1, 2, at least let's count 2, even though there's 3. So 1, 2, 2 plus 2. Oh my god, slow moment. 4, 5. There are a couple shirts in here, you know, like extras. You can never go wrong with black or white. And this is kind of like a little skirt that I want to wear. So what did I say? 4, 5, 6. I guess I could wear the skirt with like one of those. So that's 6, and then this is 7. Am I counting correct? And this is just like a little top thing, because you can always just like throw this over. I'm gonna pack up like just a couple shoes. I do plan on shopping there because I love shopping in New York. It's like fucking Disneyland. And I don't feel like there's so many rare pieces, so many rare stuff here in Atlanta. So I'm really excited to shop over there and just like bring some pieces back home. And yeah, right now we're gonna move on to shoes and then travel with my skincare, because as long as I have my skincare, honestly, I don't really care if anything else goes wrong. If I have my face wash and my whole situation, the moneymaker, secured, I'm Gucci. Other important part to life, I'm taking my perfumes with me. I never checked them. They are actually below 3 ounces, so I'm happy for that. And I gotta do my hair because I have a lot of hair y se nota cuando estoy greñuda. I'm taking a little break because I need a break. We have like 30 more minutes on the clock. But wow, I really should have done this beforehand. Okay, so right now I am packing up all my makeup. I have this eyeshadow. I have this for like lipsticks. You can like mix and match. I don't know if you guys have seen this. It's like a lip paint. I absolutely am in love with it. So yes, for my lips, we love it here. Eyelash curler, duh. Since forcefully for my edges. Chapstick, because you can never take enough chapstick. This little bit of shine for blush. I actually just bought this little blush thing. I don't know if you guys have tried this. I think it's like Bear something. Bear, quién sabe la chingada, la verdad. But it is cruelty free, so I'm in love with it. And I love all their colors. I feel like it just really helps out brown girls, you know? And we love that. And, you know, concealer, because I don't wear foundation, so just concealer will do it for me. Let's see, a highlighter, mascara, this little thing to like pat off all my oiliness. These for my eyebrows. Bronze moment. See, I'm telling you, this little brand is actually really good and I like it. Oh, Black Radiance, is that what it's called? Oh, it's Black Radiance. And like I said, cruelty free.